Welcome to the final episode in this series. By now you've unpacked, registered, and starting adjusting to Spain's rhythm. So what comes next? Connection. Moving abroad can feel lonely at first, but Spain's culture makes belonging easier than you think. The key is consistency. Shop at the same bakery, greet your neighbors, visit your local cafes regularly. Over time, familiar faces turn into friendships. You'll also find incredible expat communities in cities like Valencia or Madrid, as well as language exchanges that help you meet both locals and other newcomers. Don't be afraid to volunteer or join a class. It's through showing up again and again that you find your people. Financially, life in Spain promotes a balanced approach. The cost of living is typically lower, but the true value lies in how you spend your time. Less work, more living. Less rush, more connection. Soon you'll find that Spain's greatest luxury isn't material, it's time. At SDC International Shipping, we're proud to support Americans who take this leap, helping them not only regulate but also rebuild their lives with ease. From flexible storage options to guidance after delivery, SDC remains your trusted partner long after you've unpacked your final box. When you move with SDC, you're not just hiring a logistics company, you're partnering with a team that treats your relocation as if it was their own. We understand the emotional weight that comes with starting over in a new country, and we take pride in providing the professionalism, communication, and care that turns what could be a stressful experience into a smooth and exciting transition. So if you're ready to start your chapter in Spain, call 844-651-7050 or visit our website to get your free quote.